In this video, I'll show you how to make money online as soon as possible by offering people something of value, something that can assist them, something that will help them overcome their difficulties. And in the process, you can start to make money online, create a source of passive income whilst working from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. This method is completely beginner friendly and you can implement it almost immediately. And I'll be showing you how you can make money online as soon as possible with this method. And if you stay until the end, I'll also show you how you can copy my system and download the funnels I use to generate sales and passive income, and you can copy them completely free. And on top of that, I'll even give you the lead magnets or the free giveaways that I've created to attract buyers to my offers or my products. And I call these lead magnets my gold nuggets. And I let you use those lead magnets as your own. Basically, what you'll get is a complete business in a box. Plus, once we're done, and as a bonus for staying, I'll share with you the high-ticket affiliate program I personally use to generate frequent $1,000 commissions, and I'll also give you the link to my private training video showing you how to get unlimited leads to your offers or products, and that link will be displayed at some point during the course of the video. So I hope you don't mind me over-delivering. Hey, it's Jacques van der Merwe here from affiliatemarketingmind.com, where I teach you how to start your own profitable online business, how to avoid the many pitfalls along the way, and how to scale your business. So this is a brand new channel that I've created here on YouTube so that I can share the experience I've gained over the last 2 years since starting my online business, and I use YouTube as one of my sources of organic traffic to my offers. Well, this is actually my third YouTube channel, so I'll also share my experience in building up a YouTube channel from zero. So if you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, all the links to everything I mentioned in this video will be in the description box below the video. So let's get started. So if you've been looking at ways to make money online, but you're still on the fence because you don't know what to do or how to do it, let me show you the method I've been using to generate regular monthly earnings of $10,000 in passive income. You see, every year big companies are spending billions of dollars. In fact, they're spending around $12 billion a year on this business model, and it's increasing every year. And they are spending those billions of dollars on people just like you and just like me. Some of the biggest companies in the world are in fact based on this model, or using this model. So it's nothing new. It's been tried and tested over many years. Think about companies such as Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, Uber, Airbnb, Booking.com. What do they all have in common? Something they all use, something they spend billions of dollars on, and something they earn billions of dollars from. Because it's a real opportunity that's available to anybody. So keep watching. So if you haven't guessed yet what this business model is, and the method I use to generate passive monthly income, it is called affiliate marketing. And if you're not clear what affiliate marketing is, it is simply promoting somebody else's product and earning commission from the sale. So whether you want to make lots of money or just a bit of passive income on the side to help pay for things like a car payment, a house payment, your kids' education, or simply pay for that next holiday you've been dreaming of, then this could be a way for you to achieve just that. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses to start because you simply promote other people's products, like I said, and this means you don't have to invest lots of money into inventory, rent, staff, or any of the normal overhead costs associated with business. It means that you don't have to create a product, you don't have to ship the product, you don't have to deal with customer payments, you don't have to deal with customer service, or any of the things normally associated with a traditional type of business. All you have to do is refer customers to an offer and earn a commission. Third-party companies will process the payments and pay your commission into an account you nominate, such as PayPal, for example, or your bank account. So imagine money just showing up in your bank account. As a matter of fact, here's an example of what just happened for someone that's been using the system. This payment notification he received for just over $2,300 from an affiliate program he promotes. So before I reveal the key to getting these sorts of payments, I want to explain why many people fail at affiliate marketing. And once you understand why people fail, you can become successful. You see, successful affiliate marketers know that you don't simply get your affiliate links and then spam those links all over the internet. And successful affiliate marketers don't even do hard selling either. And in most cases, they don't even pay for advertising, because they use this one thing. And I'm sure you'd like to know what that one thing is. So if you want to be successful at affiliate marketing, let me explain this one thing. And once you understand this one thing, you can also become successful at affiliate marketing. So what you need is some gold nuggets. Now let me explain that, because once you understand this, you'll have a massive advantage. Now remember how at the beginning of the video I said I'll give you the lead magnets I've created. Well, those lead magnets, they are my gold nuggets. So let's take an example. Let's say you go and join an affiliate program in order to get a product to promote, or I call it an offer. And there are many affiliate programs out there like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, CJ Affiliates, and many more. So you join them and decide on the product you want to promote, and you get your affiliate link and you start promoting it. And once somebody clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. So also remember how I asked you about those big corporate companies before. Well, most big companies also have affiliate programs that you can join, like Walmart, like Amazon, Best Buy, as examples. Personally, I like to promote high-ticket items, and here's how I promote them. You see, my gold nugget is this. It's a video course that I create that I give away 100% for free on social media, and it teaches people how to set up their affiliate marketing business for that high-ticket item. And people love it. They know the so-called gurus are charging for it, and here I am giving it away for free. So once they register for the course, I collect their email address, and that's how I can follow up with them in subsequent emails with related affiliate products. So once they are registered for the course and get into the course dashboard, they'll see that there are drop-down menus. And these drop-down menus lead to different videos that will show them how to set up their affiliate marketing business. But the key to the success of this method are these links down here, which urges them to get a free 14-day trial to a product that contains my affiliate link. So while people are on this course, they are learning how to set up their affiliate business. And once again, remember at the beginning of the video, I said I'll show you how to make money online as soon as possible by offering people something of value, something that can assist them. And this is exactly what I do. So while people are on this course, they are learning how to set up their affiliate business, and I'm providing them with value, with knowledge, and with affiliate links. So I go on to earn commissions on all the links they find throughout the whole course, because I provide cool stuff that people actually want. So this system generates commissions for me without trying to spam people and without trying to persuade them to buy. I've done it, for instance, with Legendary Marketer, which is a great affiliate program, but they also offer amazing training and value. So what I do with the course here, I also do with my other gold nuggets, like my Affiliate Marketing Made Easy ebook. And they earn me commissions in the same way by simply giving it away for free. So as you can see, I create these gold nuggets and then simply give them away for free, and people love it. So as a result, I earn passive income from these gold nuggets. Now, creating these gold nuggets takes time, and if you had to hire somebody to create it for you, it could be really expensive. So I came up with this idea. What if I simply let you copy my gold nuggets? And that's when a lot of people would get the opportunity to have business in a box, giving you the chance to get the one thing you need to be successful in affiliate marketing, and allowing you to start in a few hours and not a few years. And that's why I've created affiliatemarketingmind.com. It's super simple. All you have to do is click the link below to join for free, and after you get into Affiliate Marketing Mind, start with your free 14-day trial of Builderall. That's what's going to allow you to copy my gold nuggets. You can import them straight into your account, where you'll get all the videos, all the training, and everything is white labeled. Which means I don't talk about my brand, I don't mention my name. You can take it and use it as your own. I've set up tutorials, and you can simply download the funnels, which will download straight into your account. Then all you have to do is change my affiliate links with your affiliate links. But that's not all. I even include automated email follow-up sequences. That is what's going to allow you to earn those commissions. and it's automatically downloaded into your account when you download the funnel. And the system is extremely friendly to use, even for people with no experience. And I've set up step-by-step instructions and on-screen demonstrations every step of the way. Once that is done, you can start sharing your gold nuggets with your affiliate links and start earning your affiliate commissions. As you can see, it's almost like buying a franchise and getting the recipe for success. The only difference is you don't have to pay thousands of dollars. Instead, you're getting it for free. Now, I know you think to yourself, why would I do this? Why would I give it away for free? Well, the truth is, I want you to be successful. And I want you to be able to get started today, because the sooner you start earning income, the sooner financial stress disappears, and you can take the dream vacation you deserve. Now, you might not believe this, but this system has been responsible for earning as much as $30,000 in a single month. And you see, I remember what it was like to be a beginner. And now that I've reached this level in affiliate marketing, allowing me to work from home, determine my own hours, not having to sit in traffic, not having to do a job I hate, being able to spend time with my loved ones, I want to have the same for you. And if you've stayed on this video, I know you're serious about making a change in your life. But there is a selfish reason for me making this offer. In my time as an affiliate marketer, I've learned that the more you give, the more you get. I'm not sure why, but it's 100% true. So in return for giving you this life-changing gift, do you think it'll be fair for me to ask you two things? The first is, as you go through the course and you find value in it, you'll leave me a testimonial. And the second thing is that you get started today, and when you're giving away your gold nuggets, not only will you start earning commissions online, you'll be helping others by sharing this information with the world. Remember, the more you give, the more you get. So go ahead, click the link in the description box below this video so you can join for free and become a pro-level affiliate marketer today. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you found some value in it, then please give it a like. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you've not subscribed yet, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. And finally, leave me a comment down below saying you are in, you're going to follow this method, or tell me what's the biggest problem that's preventing you from getting started. Maybe it's something I can do a video about in the future. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.